If you want to power off your Samsung Galaxy A37 but you don't remember the screen lock password, then of course without it, if you try to shut down the phone, you cannot really do so because the password is required. There is a little workaround, but it is quite tricky to do. What we can do is we can perform force restart by using the power and volume down button. We need to hold these two buttons until the screen shuts down. And then once the screen shuts down, we need to quickly connect our phone to our computer with a USB cable. So you need to prepare that. And we need to do this quickly. So once the screen shuts down, you connect the cable, and then you press and hold power and volume up button until you open the recovery mode. So let's give it a try. I'm gonna press and hold both of these buttons, the power and volume down buttons, prepare the cable, and you will need to connect it to the computer. There we go, and then press and hold power and volume up immediately. And you need to be pretty quick. And as you keep holding it, after a couple of seconds, you should be able to go to the recovery mode. Now we can unplug the cable. In here, we navigate by using volume buttons. So of course, we want to choose the power off option over here, and then confirm by using the power button. Now, if you shut it down, then of course, that's completely fine as intended. But the next time you try to turn it on, you will go back to the recovery mode. So let me show you. And of course, we just have to exit the recovery mode, which is really simple. Just make sure that reboot system now is selected and use the power button. And then your phone will restart and go back to the normal mode. Leave a like and subscribe.